Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Momo Moto again, and I have just came up with one of the very good news for my viewers. Actually, just recently I have uploaded AVITA Pura unboxing video on my Momo Moto channel, and some of the viewers was just complaining about the sound quality of this particular laptop. So I made a bit of research for them and found a very good solution of this particular improvement, and which is nothing, you don't have to even use any external software for that particular thing. Just you need to make a very small change in the setting, in your default setting of your laptop. After that you will have very immersive experience, sound experience in this particular laptop. So just have a look what changes I have made in this laptop. After that I am getting very good sound. So just I am going to give you that setting, how to make that particular change. So friends, you can see just what changes I have made in this particular laptop. After that I'm just getting very beautiful sound experience in this particular laptop. So what change you need to make is just very simple setting. So first of all, you need to open this particular setting option in this particular laptop, and after that you can see here, this is I'm just going to give you a closer look of this particular screen. So if you can see, here is the sound display setting option, and just below that you will able to see this sound setting options over here. And in this particular option, you will see here input. So you need to choose your input device. In this particular setting you need to just use this microphone real tech high definition. This is for input, and this is for output. If you can see here, choose your output device. So in this particular setting, if by default when you purchase laptop, there will be two options in this particular drop down. So the first one will be by default sound. A default sound option will be there, and the second option will be this particular option, which is you are able to see speaker real tech high definition audio. So just you need to make this particular small change in your laptop. After that I have just put it at 92% master volume, and you can see how loud this sound is now in this particular laptop. So I have already opened this NCS sound testing. So I'm just going to play sound for your reference. You should also consider that I have master volume, put it master volume at 92% only. So you can see. So this was very small change. After that I am getting very immersive sound experience. For a reference, I am also going to play the same sound in my Realme U1 smartphone as well. So you can see, so I'm just going to play the same sound in this Realme phone as well. So for your reference to you can see how the sound quality have been improved from. So before that, when I just received this particular laptop, I just played a sound to check the sound quality, and I was very disappointed with the performance of this particular laptop. And for your reference, I'm just going to make a little more change in this setting. So I'm just going to make it to 100%. Now I'm going to play the same sound again. So overall I'll say the sound quality has been approved from great margin. uh, I'm also going to play a very small sound clip again for you to check the bass and treble of this particular sound. I'll say just after updating that particular setting, it is giving a very immersive sound experience. So it is very popular sound of NCS testing. You can go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll So you can see here how the sound quality have been improved, and some of the comments I've received in my unboxing video of this particular AVITA laptop, that my particular sound quality of my particular video is not good. So I am just using a mic this time to improve the sound quality. And you can also write down in the comment box if any further improvement is required in this Mobomoto's videos. I'll definitely work on that particular thing. Most of the viewers are asking a long-term review of this particular laptop and battery review of this particular laptop. So till now, what I have found in this laptop, I'm getting battery backup of more than 3 hours when I'm using it at full brightness. But I just made very small change in this particular laptop's brightness setting. By default, if you're using it at 100% brightness, definitely will not get more than 3.2 hours of battery backup. So I just put that particular brightness to 60%. After 60%, you can see that how bright is my display. If you can have a closer look on this particular display, it is a very bright, I'll say, at 60% setting. So overall you'll not have any issue with this 60% brightness of this particular laptop. And if you're using it at 60% brightness, definitely you will get a very good battery backup of 4.5 to 5 hours of uses. So till now what I have found is the things what I have told you. And for further updates on this particular AVITA Pura laptop, please stay tuned on Mobomoto channel. And hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you enjoyed, hit like button. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hitting the bell icon, so that you can get latest videos of Mobomoto. Thanks for watching the videos. Stay tuned on the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.